Good morning, another model house dito sa Saria, Baliwag, Bulacan. Ayan, ang ating mansion duplex, yan, mansion twin duplex, and this is a 60 square meter floor area and available siya sa 88 square meter na lot area, kaya we have this carport. Ayan, parking natin, and look at the beautiful facade ng ating house. So, let's check inside. Welcome to our mansion duplex, and you can see your living, dining, and kitchen area here. Sabi ko nga, 60 square meter and also 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Pero mas maluwag siya at makikita natin kung ano yung mga kasya gawin, di ba? Ito nga, naka 6-seater na dining, and here's your kitchen. Ayan. And this is Ayan, this is your ground floor toilet and bath, and it's almost the same lang. Ang ano talaga niya, na-impress ako is yung height, yung ceiling height ng CR. And syempre, merong awning, ayan. Ayan, so dito, pwede kayong lumabas galing pag may grocery, pasok nyo lang dito dahil galing kayo sa carport nyo, car garage, ayan. And check natin yung service area kung saan pwede kayong mag laundry area. Ayan. Kakaiba tong duplex na to kasi most of the time, kala nyo ang duplex ay sa gitna, di ba? Tapos magkaharapan yung hati ng pagka-duplex. Dito naman, talikuran kayo. Ayan. So, yung likodan ninyo, yung magka-duplex dito. At ito yung laundry area, service area. Maluwag siya. Pwede kayong maglagay pa dito ng table. Then, ito yung hook for the washing machine and saksakan. Hello! Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Homekey 2017, and TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook kung mayroon kayong inquiry. And so nice that our landing area here, nakapaglagay pa sila na upuan, right? And pwede nyo rin lagyan ng bookshelves kung mahilig kayo sa mga books. And we have a small balcony here. So, small lang talaga. Pwede kayo mag-coffee habang nag-iisip. Aray, ang init na pasok. This is the master's bedroom. And I think it's a queen size. Kaya medyo, at nato naman, may cabinet. So, nakikita nyo na kung ano lang yung space na magagalawan nyo since meron din tayong table here. And ready na rin for our window type aircon and our French door. Pag open nyo, pwede nyo lagyan ng plant kasi hindi naman talaga siya balcony or something. So may railings lang siya for safety. Then, so ating a French door. And let's look for other 2 more bedrooms. And so let's look at the other bedrooms, and it's so nice. Ayan, so big nung window. I love natural lights. If you like me na gusto ang natural lights, this is for you. Look at that. Single bed, and there's your cabinet, and you have your table, study table. May lalagyanan pa kayong galing, no? And your window type ready. And yan, meron pa kayong space, oh. Maluwag pa. So, check natin yung kabilang bedroom. Yan. And the CR is also the same. Pakita natin yung ating CR bago tayo sa next bedroom. Ayan. So, ang ating bedroom, typically, almost the same nung isa. So, single bed, you have your cabinet, your big window and your study table. Tingin ko dahil sa ceiling height, I don't think kung kaya pa rin yung deck na bedroom. Ayan. Familiar dito. Ayan. If you like this house, don't hesitate to message us. And look, pwede kayo maglagay ng dyan, chandelier nyo since it's a high ceiling from dun sa stair. Ayan. So don't hesitate to message us. God bless!